Hi and welcome on our channel. Have you ever stopped to think about time? It's a force that governs every single moment of our existence, yet we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, we cannot hold it in our hands. Time is like an invisible river, constantly flowing. It carries everything in the universe along with it, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Nothing escapes its current. This silent, relentless march forward is the most fundamental reality we know. It was there at the very beginning of the cosmos, and it will be there at the very end. We measure it with clocks and calendars, but what are we truly measuring? We are simply putting markers on the bank of this grand cosmic river. Our journey to understand time is, in many ways, a journey to understand the universe itself. We are born, we live, and we fade, all according to its unwritten rules. So, what is this thing we call time? In the simplest terms, time is a measure of change. Imagine a universe where absolutely nothing happened. No movement, no aging, no change at all. In such a static place, the concept of time would be meaningless. Time exists because things happen. The Earth spins on its axis, giving us day and night. It orbits the sun, giving us our years. Our bodies grow, our thoughts evolve, and the universe expands. Time is the dimension in which this sequence of events occurs. It's the before and after that allows the story of the cosmos to unfold, one moment at a time. It's the beat to which the universe dances. Before the 20th century, we thought of time as absolute. A second was a second everywhere in the universe for everyone. Sir Isaac Newton envisioned time as a universal clock ticking away at the same steady pace, completely separate from the space it inhabited. This was a simple, comforting idea. It meant that your now was the same as the now for someone on the other side of the galaxy. Time was the reliable, unchanging stage upon which the drama of physics played out. It was a constant, a dependable ruler against which all motion and all change could be measured with perfect certainty. But then, a young patent clerk named Albert Einstein came along and completely revolutionized our understanding. He showed us that time is not separate from space. Instead, they are woven together into a single, four-dimensional fabric, space-time. Think of it like a giant, flexible trampoline. Massive objects like planets and stars create dips or curves in this fabric. And this is the crucial part. This curving of space-time doesn't just affect space, it affects time as well. Time is not a universal metronome, it's a dynamic, pliable component of the cosmos itself. This idea of space-time is not just an abstract theory, it's the reality of our universe. Time is intimately connected to the three dimensions of space: length, width, and height. You can't have one without the other. Every object, every event has a location not just in space but in time. Einstein's revolutionary idea that space-time can be curved leads to a truly mind-bending consequence. Time is relative. It does not flow at the same rate for everyone. The speed at which your clock ticks depends on two things: how fast you are moving, how strong the gravity is around you. This isn't science fiction. It's a measurable fact of our universe. One of the most famous examples of this is the twin paradox. Imagine one twin stays on Earth while the other travels in a rocket at nearly the speed of light. When the traveling twin returns, they will have aged less than the twin who stayed home. Time literally ran slower for them. This effect, known as time dilation, isn't just for spaceships. It happens every day, right here on Earth, though in much smaller amounts. Your head ages ever so slightly faster than your feet. Why? Because your feet are closer to the center of the Earth, where the pull of gravity is stronger. We've seen that time is, well, flexible, but one thing seems absolute. It only moves in one direction. We can remember the past, but we can't remember the future. A shattered glass doesn't just, spontaneously reassemble itself. Time isn't just a concept for physicists, it's really the very essence of life and experience. Every beat of your heart, every breath you take is a mark of its passage. Our lives are defined by time. We celebrate birthdays marking another year's journey around the sun. We watch seasons change, a rhythm set by our planet's tilt and orbit. The entire story of nature is a story in time. A seed sprouts, grows into a mighty tree, and eventually returns to the soil. This cycle of birth, growth, decay is the most visible manifestation of time's arrow in our world. It connects every living thing in a shared, unfolding narrative. This connection extends to our deepest emotions. Hope is a feeling tied to the future. Regret is an emotion bound to the past. Joy often feels like a moment we wish could last forever, a fleeting attempt to stop time's relentless flow. Our memories, which form our identities, are records of our personal journey through time. If you found this exploration of time fascinating, please like this video and subscribe for more journeys into the mysteries of our universe.